everyone, welcome back to Basilchic. I'm Stephanie, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I take down, store, and organize my Christmas tree and all my Christmas ornaments. So I'm doing this video because you guys requested it on Instagram, and of course I would love to show you, but also because I only think it's the perfect conclusion to like my Christmas series, since I started it with how I bought this Christmas tree when I did the video back in November about the best artificial Christmas trees. It ended up being this one, at least in my budget. So I only think it's right to now do a video about how I take down, store, and organize it and everything in it. Now, one thing I'm doing that's a little bit different this year in this video is that I'm going to be putting all these ornaments and everything for this Christmas tree in one bin. Normally I separate my Christmas ornaments kind of by type in different bins, so like all the white and silver and gold ornaments together, you know, and all the blue and red ornaments together, that sort of thing. And I still have two bins in the garage of stuff I didn't use because I love switching up my theme from year to year, but I love this theme and this tree so much I want to put it all in the same bin because I might do the same thing next year. So that's how I'm going to organize it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys me taking down everything, and then I'll show you how I pack it neatly in the bin and then where I put everything. Done taking all the ornaments off of the tree. I placed them all on the coffee table very neatly. I even rolled up the ribbon and everything. So I lined up all my blue and white ornaments there in the back. Some of them were on the tree, some of them were not, but I still would like to store them with this bin because I do think that the blue and white goes great with this tree, and I'll know where they're all at. So here's the plan. I'm going to take this tree skirt right here and I am going to put it in the bottom of this bin, so this way it adds a nice soft layer. And then I'll do a layer of ornaments. From there I'll layer in all this bubble wrap and foam. I just saved this from our Christmas gifts this year, like all the packages that we got. So I want to layer all of this in between the ornaments in the bin to keep everything from breaking. So that's what the plan is. I'll set up the camera and show you how I do it. guys a side view of how I organize my ornaments. So you saw in the video that I really played around with this and had to tweak how I layered it, but I'm really happy with how it ended up in the end. Now, one thing I will do differently next year is not store the Christmas tree skirt in here because it ended up taking up a lot of room and I wasn't able to get all of my blue and white ornaments in here. So next year I think I'll just do a thin layer of bubble wrap on the bottom and then I'll just layer it from there and I should be able to get all of my ornaments in there. I have another ornament bin where this tree skirt will fit just fine, but I don't want to take it all out all over again. It's nice, neat, tidy. I know where everything is right now and it's happy in this place and I don't want to mess with it too much. But let me show you how I organize my other ornaments and where I'm going to store this big old Christmas tree in this bin full of ornaments. I'm in the garage now. Here's our other ornament bin. I actually thought we had another one, but we don't. So we just have two bins for all of our ornaments. Now you can see in here, this one's packed slightly differently. And honestly, I like both methods of organization, but I really wanted to share this with you. And you can tell that there's enough room in this bin for a second tree skirt. This is the first one. But I want to give you a couple tips on how you can organize your ornaments. And one of those is to use Ziploc bags. So I use the jumbo 2.5 gallon ones, and that holds big ones like this. So it's really helpful. The really big jumbo ones is really helpful for bigger ornaments and things like that. I wrap these in just some bubble wrap. And then the other thing I like to use is just the normal regular gallon size Ziplocs. And those are good for, these. So I kind of cater the type of Ziploc bag to how many ornaments I have in the collection, and I layer them nicely. Now, you can also tell that they're not all in Ziplocs because sometimes I feel like they just fit better in the container, and they're definitely protected like this. So some of them I fit in the containers, some of them I put in Ziploc bags, those sizes, and then the tree skirts you could just lay in however it would fit. So I just want to share with you guys, well, I'll fix that in a second, but I want to share with you guys how I really go about organizing my ornaments. So you could either layer it like I did in that other bin, or you can use an array of Ziploc bags and maybe some of the containers and just lay it in here nicely. And finally, I want to show you where I store my Christmas decor. We have this little storage closet underneath our stairs and we access it through our garage. So it doesn't look super big on camera, but it's plenty of room for us to store all of our Christmas stuff. So the Christmas tree and everything should fit really nicely in here. We might even be able to stand the Christmas tree up in the back. So we're going to take some time and pack everything in here. I don't know if I'll be able to show that here on this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I take down, store, and organize and where I put all my Christmas decor. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and please stay tuned because I have lots more organization, decluttering videos coming this year. Bye everyone.